Are you looking for the best solar generator? In this video, we will look at some of the best solar generator on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Delta Max is a portable power station, basically a huge battery and inverter that have been stuffed into a box along with a solar controller and an AC/DC charger. It can be used for everything from powering your fridge and other home appliances during a blackout taken on the road, for camping, at a work site, or it can become the basis of a mini off-grid system. The Max has a battery capacity of 2016 watt-hours, aka 2 kilowatt-hours, which is enough to keep the average phone running for about a year. The Max can also have two external batteries connected for a total capacity of 6 kilowatt-hours, or be linked up to a smart generator for total off-grid power. There's also a cheaper Max 1600 watt-hours version with a smaller battery. The Max includes four 230-volt sockets, which share 2400W, 4600W surge, of pure sine wave output, and can be used like an uninterruptible power supply, UPS. You also get two 100W USB-C power delivery PD spec ports that can charge things like phones or laptops, as well as four normal USB-A ports, and various 12 volts outputs. In other words, you can plug just about anything into the Max and charge it. Recharging the power station from a wall socket can be done at up to a very impressive 2000 W, and in testing we found that from dead flat it will hit 80% full in a bit over an hour. Alternatively, you can charge it up to 800 W from solar or from a 12 or 24 volt car accessory port at up to 8A. So in a nutshell, it allows you to store power from a range of sources, and use it when needed most. Number 2. Jackery has been the big name in power stations for a while, and is probably the first company that comes to mind when anyone mentions the words. That's even more impressive when battery brands like Duracell and Energizer are in on the competition. Jackery and its actual competitors dominate the market because of devices featuring fantastic build qualities based on customer needs, and the company pushes battery technology forward rather than merely relying on brand recognition. Jackery has been improving solar charging with more efficient panels and beefier inverters, making solar generators more practical than ever. The big selling feature of the Jackery Explorer 1000 Pro and the Solar Generator 1000 Pro bundles is the industry-leading speed with which they turn sunlight into usable power. However, since close competitors like BLUETTI and ECOFLOW have moved on to safer and more resilient LiFePO4 cells and have more affordable power stations with nearly the same power output, or drastically more for the same price, it's starting to look like Jackery is getting too comfortable in its lead while the competition is gearing up to pass. The Jackery Explorer 100 Pro is still one of the best power stations on the market, but it's a tight race. The power station half of the Solar Generator Pro bundle is the Jackery Explorer 1000 Pro. The list price is $1,100, though it's pretty rare to pay that amount since there are usually coupons on Amazon and the Jackery site, plus the occasional sales event with even steeper discounts. Number 3. The OUKITEL P2001 power station is currently selling for the discounted price of $1,399. The portable device has a maximum power output of 2000 W and a 2000 watt-hours battery capacity. Ports on the gadget include USB-A and 100W USB-C outputs. Plus, other portable power stations from the brand are on sale, such as the OUKITEL CN505 614 watt-hours and P501 505 watt-hours models. OUKITEL currently offers up to $1,000 off some of its products until the 31st of August. For example, you can now pick up the OUKITEL P2001 portable power station for $1,399, saving $300 off the regular $1,699 retail price. The deal is available direct from OUKITEL or via Amazon. The gadget has a total AC output of 2000 W, allowing you to power various devices such as a microwave, mini fridge or air conditioner. The P2001 can handle surge power up to 4000 W and can power multiple products simultaneously via 16 ports. The outputs include two 5 volts USB-A, two QC 3.0 18W USB-A and two 100W USB-C ports. Plus, the power station has 6 AC and 2 DC 5521 outputs. The power station can run quietly at 60 decibels from 1 meter 3.3 feet so as not to disturb you. The P2001 has a 2000 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery, which can fully charge in under 2 hours. You can recharge the device in multiple ways, such as via a solar panel, car socket, or standard wall outlet. The portable gadget has a built-in handle, measures 394 x 279 by 330 mm, 15.5 by 11.0 by 13.0 in, and weighs 22 kilograms, 49 pounds. Also included in the sale are the OUKITEL CN505 614 Wh and P501 505 Wh portable power stations. The latter has a maximum output of 500 W and can simultaneously charge up to 5 gadgets with a range of ports available. The product is currently selling with a $350 discount at $249. Number 4. As the spring season greens all around us, BLUETTI continues its quest to deliver a sustainable future using its eco-friendly energy storage solutions that offer peace of mind at home, light portable power on the go, and the solar technology to keep them running without the grid. Whether you're celebrating the upcoming holiday or not, there's no better time to take advantage of this BLUETTI sale because, just like the Easter Bunny, these deals will come and go before you know it. For a limited time, you can chase these discounted prices on home battery backup systems, like the AC300 plus B300 combo. Check it out. The AC300 has staked its claim as a mainstay in BLUETTI's lineup as the company's first 100% modular model. Combined with BLUETTI's B300 expansion battery, this combo delivers a 3072 Wh capacity out of the gate, but can be expanded with additional packs to offer a whopping 12,288 Wh. The AC300's own 3000 watt pure wave sine inverter can handle most power needs wherever you are, whether it's a long distance trip in your RV, making DIY Easter decorations in your workshop, or powering your tools and speaker while doing your spring gardening. In honor of its Easter sale, BLUETTI is offering hundreds of dollars off the AC300 plus B300 combo. Better still, you can add a new folding trolley for easier transportation for just $99. For another $599, BLUETTI will include a PV 350 solar panel, or you can add a PV 420 panel for $699. As a newer modular solar generator compared to the model mentioned above, BLUETTI's AC500 plus B300S combo packs even more energy storage into a relatively small footprint. Combined with BLUETTI's B300S battery packs that are equipped with the latest LiFePO4 battery cell technology, the AC500 can store up to 18,432 Wh and withstand over 3,500 charge cycles before reaching 80% of its original capacity. Number 5. Power stations have long been familiar to campers and outdoor enthusiasts as a mobile power source. In recent months, however, they have arrived in many more households, not least due to the energy crisis, to prepare for power outages as a blackout precaution or to save energy costs via solar. In addition to established providers like ECOFLOW and BLUETTI, the well-known manufacturer Anker has also been offering the mobile power packs for some time. After we recently presented the largest model to date, the Anker 757, approximately €1,700, $1,837 at Amazon, we will now review the new Anker Powerhouse 767, the brand's new and strongest power station, which is Anker's flagship power station. The device not only offers massive power, but also weighs quite a bit. However, it is still mobile thanks to the practical trolley function. Our review reveals how the Anker 767 power station performed in practice. The Anker Powerhouse 767 is a power station with a battery capacity of 2,048 Wh, or 2 kWh. The energy is stored in LiFePO4 battery cells. These are known to be particularly durable. The manufacturer promises safety and reliability for 3,000 charging cycles and 10 years of service life, and also gives a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If the battery capacity is not enough for you, you can double it. For this purpose, the manufacturer offers the additional battery Anker 760, single approximately €1,700, $1,837 at Amazon, in a bundle approximately €4,000, $4,323 at Amazon, with another 2,048 Wh, which finds a place on the top of the power station. In addition to the high capacity, the Anker 767 power station is characterized by its continuous power of 2,300 W. This means that many devices can be supplied with power for work and leisure, from notebooks to chainsaws. Anker does not have a buffer for short-term power peaks, as other manufacturers often